Okay, I got it.
Okay. You gotta do it again.
What is he doing? Oh, is he doing the tickle thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta do the tickle thing.
Oh, no. No. Wait, hold on. I gotta get prepared. Okay.
Okay.
Wait, hang on.
I got you.
Is it zoomed?
I got you.
No, I don't know.
What am I doing?
I don't know. It's making me nervous. Stop. No. Okay. Okay, I'm ready.
Everyone, this is Sean freaking out.
This is everyone.
Look at me. Everyone, this is Sean freaking out.
Okay, hold on.
Wow,
let me get
everyone
psyched out.
else is
Let me get psyched out. Hold on.
Get like that.
Okay.
I am the only vagina in the car, and this is terrible.
All right, let's get this over with. Gee, it's not tickling my eyesight. I don't know what you're doing. Stop! No, at least I'm not an Andrews. Shane.
Oh, you bitch. Oh, it's on.
Oh, shit.
It's on.
Really?
Oh, no, I'm not in this. I'm not in this.
Wait, I'm hitting myself. I thought we were doing that stupid ass tickling thing. I was about to be like, what the fuck? Here, how do you like it? What are you V8ing me? Why are you such a freaking...
Are you done?
Stop being an ogre. Let me go.
Are you done?
Stop. No, not anymore.
Okay.
See, he's ticklish too.
I'm not even tickling you anymore.
Got you. I'll be easy.
Are you sure?
My leg's breaking.
Okay. Truce.
Okay. I feel like he's gonna do it again. Stop.
Hit the tickle, hit me. Hit the tickle, hit me. He's jumping out of the car. He's jumping out of the car. Sean.
I hate all of you.
I love Sean. He thinks I hate him, but I love him.
Okay, this video is done.
He is done.